In this session, let us learn about Python MySQL drop table. Delete a table. You can delete an existing table by using the drop table statement. Delete the table customers. See, by writing and executing this code using drop table customers, see the result returns this. If this page was executed with no errors, you have successfully deleted the customers table. Drop only if you exist. If the table you want to delete is already deleted or for any other reason does not exist, you can use the if exists keyword to avoid getting an error. See example, delete the table customers if it exists. See, by writing and execute this code using drop table if exists customers, see the result returns this. If this page was executed with no errors, you have successfully deleted the. If this page was executed with no errors, you have successfully deleted the customers table. Okay friends, this is the end of part 9 Python MySQL drop table. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MySQL update table. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.